Hey YouTube, what's happening? Chris here. Want to bring you guys an article that I ran across just a few minutes ago. It's by Omar Gadolbi, and it says Litecoin's halving is months away, but traders may already be pricing it in, and that's what we're going to talk about today. And I want you guys to leave it down low if you think Litecoin's having this jump due to the halving and traders are already starting to price it in, or do you feel like we haven't seen anything yet in terms of where the price may go due to the halving that's coming up? So if you all could like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're trying for 100 likes on this video. Can't do it without you guys, and we appreciate all the love and support, and we'll just keep bringing you these articles we run across and working on technical analysis, and we're just going to grow together, so we'll keep it up. So guys, like we said, this is on coindesk.com, and it's by Omar there. And he says, Litecoin has rallied sharply in the first 6 weeks of 2019, triggering speculation that investors may be pricing in a supply reduction that's scheduled to occur in August. And if people don't know yet, Litecoin with this halving, miners aren't going to be rewarded as much as they are now for Litecoin. So it's basically going to keep shrinking that supply. And it says the world's fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is currently trading at $44, having clocked a high of $47 last week. At that price, LTC was up 56% on a year-to-year basis, according to CoinMarketCap data. LTC picked up a bid near $20 in December, tracking the corrective rally in Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Both moved pretty much in unison in January. Things, however, changed last week, with LTC outshining BTC's 7% gain with a 41% rise. And you know, guys, that's what we've talked about with Litecoin. It moves so fast and it moves so aggressively to the upside and to the downside. And that's why we always plan on this channel for the upside, the downside, and the sideways, because this is how fast these moves can come in. I mean, really, Litecoin gained 41% that fast like it was nothing. And we started to see it on the LTC BTC chart where we were picking out that rounded bottom and looking at that, and then it started to happen. And that's why technical analysis is so important. If we can figure these things out, you know, it puts us at greater odds that we'll be successful. And it goes on to say LTC's strong performance comes at least 5 months ahead of the mining reward halving, or the time at which the amount of Litecoins produced as a network subside for each transaction block fails is cut in half. On August 8th, the mining reward will be reduced from 25 LTC to 12.5. So you're putting in all that work, guys, and you're getting less, and it makes it more valuable due to that. And that's what's so exciting about this, because there's already only 82 million Litecoins that will ever be created. So it's not a huge supply. It says markets are always looking forward-looking, and hence could be pricing in the impending supply drop. Validating that argument is historical data, which shows that cryptocurrency had rallied in the months leading up to the first mining reward halving, which took place on August 25th, 2015. And here's what the charts look like. See that downtrend broken, like we talked about, breaking out of trend lines, how important that is over here when we finally broke out of it. As seen above, LTC carved out a long-term low at $1.12 in January 2015 and rose to a high of $8.72 in July before falling back below $4 ahead of August 25th, a day when the mining rewards fell from 50 LTC to 25. And do you see how it keeps shrinking? That's what I love about it. 1 second, guys. Just got to grab a sip of water here. So it could be said that the markets bought LTC in 7 months prior to reward halving and booked profits a few weeks before the event. The chart also shows that the cryptocurrency exited the bear market long-term falling trend line well before the reward halving. Litecoin's recent surge is reminiscent of the price action witnessed in early 2015. As noted earlier, the cryptocurrency has appreciated by more than 50% in the 6 weeks and has crossed the 12-month long falling trend line. So we have to put this in the back of our mind. It says history seems to be repeating itself, and so LTC could spend the next couple of months trading in a sideways manner before seeing a possible gear shift in June and July. Such a possibility is also pointed to in the price chart analysis. See this trend line? Guys, we broke it. And now we're going to have to see. Sometimes you come up and then you'll come back and test again, then make another move. You know, we got to see what this is going to do. But, I mean, this is a very big deal. And then this is Bitcoin's halving history. You can see what happens here, what's happened in the past. And it says Litecoin isn't the only cryptocurrency to undergo a reward halving roughly every 4 years. In fact, so does the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin's inception 10 years ago, the cryptocurrency has experienced 2 reward halvings, the first on November 28, 2012 and second on July 9, 2016, and is estimated to undergo a third in May 2020. And some people are saying that's, when the bull market's going to start. The full swing of the bull market is probably going to start at the end of 2019, around that time, and start going into that 2020. And it says, as seen in the chart above, both halvings were preceded months in advance by significant price growth and full-fledged bull markets after the event. Upon close inspection, it's clear the halvings elicit a brief sell the news reaction from the market in the weeks leading up to the event. In that time, Bitcoin witnessed price drops of 30 to 50%, which is comparable to Litecoin markets in the few weeks leading up to its first halving. So we have to pay attention to that as well, that, buy the rumor, sell the news. So we know this is coming up, and it could start already getting priced in, and then once the event happens or leading up to it, you'll see that big price drop, and we have to be ready for that type of stuff, and that's why we're learning how to trade. So, I wanted to just put this in the back of your mind. It's a good article. Talks about why maybe the price of Litecoin has been leading the market. It went from $22 up to $41, so, and we're back in 4th place right now. So let's keep that all in consideration, and you guys let me know what you think, if it's already getting priced in or not. But love reading these things to you guys and talking with y'all. Leave it down low. Tell me what you think. God bless each and every one of you.